To add support and resistance in TradingView, start by opening the platform and navigating to the chart of your chosen asset. Support and resistance levels are crucial in technical analysis as they help traders identify potential areas of price reversal or continuation. First, click on the drawing tools icon located at the top of the screen. It looks like a pencil. From the drop-down menu, select the horizontal line tool. This tool will be used to draw support and resistance levels on the chart. To draw a support level, click on the lowest low of a price swing and drag the line to the right. This will create a horizontal line that represents the support level. Repeat the same process to draw a resistance level, but this time click on the highest high of a price swing. It is essential to use historical price data to identify support and resistance levels. Look for areas where the price has bounced off or reversed in the past, as these areas are likely to act as support or resistance in the future. You can also use other tools such as the trend line tool or the ray tool to draw support and resistance levels at an angle. To edit or delete a support and resistance level, simply click on the line and use the options provided in the settings menu. Best practices for adding support and resistance levels include using multiple timeframes to confirm the levels, using a combination of technical indicators to validate the levels, and regularly updating the levels as market conditions change. By following these steps and using support and resistance levels effectively, traders can gain a better understanding of market dynamics and make more informed trading decisions. Remember to always use support and resistance levels in conjunction with other technical and fundamental analysis tools to maximize trading performance.